Hey everyone, this is Serge with your Microcontroller Minutes. This is part 12 of the KEYESTUDIO 3701 sensor kit, the PIR motion sensor module. I'll use the Fritzing software to show you how to connect everything, so here's what you'll need. An Arduino microcontroller, preferably the UNO version or similar, a 400 tie point breadboard, a USB cable, the PIR motion sensor and RGB LED modules, and 5 to 15 jumper wires. Place the PIR sensor on the breadboard towards the bottom, connect the pin labeled out to digital pin 8, connect the pin labeled VCC to 5 volts, then connect the pin labeled GND to ground. Next, place the RGB LED module towards the top, connect the pin labeled R to digital pin 9, then connect the pin labeled minus to ground. Now here is what it looks like in the real world. Grab the USB cable, connect it to the Arduino, and then connect to your computer. We'll use the Arduino IDE software for programming the Arduino UNO. Open the IDE, go to Tools, then Boards, then Arduino AVR boards, then select the Arduino UNO. Then go to Tools again, go to Port, then select the serial port where your Arduino is connected. Upload the following 23 lines of code. Open the serial monitor. The values displayed should return either a 0 or 1. 1 indicates that the passive infrared motion sensor has been activated, and the LED should flash 3 times. 0 indicates no motion. The PIR sensor has 2 dials. One is for motion sensitivity, the other is for time delay. Rotating either of these clockwise increases the value to the max setting. Rotating counterclockwise decreases to the minimum setting. There's also a jumper for re-triggering. L is for non-re-triggering, meaning it will send on-off signals the entire time there is movement. The other option is H for re-triggering, meaning it will send an on signal the entire time something is moving. Leave the jumper on H and not L. Try modifying the code and breadboard. Add the activeBuzzerModule and create its variable. Add it to the setup as an output. Add to the if-else statements in the loop. Add to the breadboard towards the middle. Connect the pin labeled S to digital pin 10. Connect the middle pin to 5 volts, then connect the pin labeled minus to ground. And see what happens. Once you get the hang of it, come back and join us for the next module.